Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to fix your MX Anywhere mouse with WD-40. Now this is a lovely mouse, but sometimes it just stops working, and what I mean is these clicky buttons, they stop working. So let's see what the problem is and how to fix it. So let's take a quick look at what I mean. So if you're trying to drag a file, for example, it might let go of the file, and that might not be what you want. Or if you just want to do a single click on something, it may double click on it on accident, and that may also not be what you want. So let's take a look at what the issue is. So the issue is that the sensors under these buttons are not working properly, and we need a little bit of WD-40 to fix it. Let's take a look. Alrighty, so here is the MX mouse right here. I've already fixed it once myself, but I might as well just do this as a preventative maintenance now. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna remove the lid, remove the battery, turn it off, and now we got a few screws to deal with. We got one screw here, and then we've got a hidden one here underneath this tape. If you can see that. We got a hidden one right there. So that is difficult. Plus we got one underneath this, what they call, I think, a skater. So let's get the obvious ones first. What we have to do is open up the case. And hopefully you can see that all right. So we got one screw undone there. We're going to do one on the opposite side. So those two are pretty simple. Now what you have to do next, and as I mentioned, I've already done this once before, about, I don't know, 1 year ago. You gotta scrape up carefully this sticker that's inside. And that's unfortunate because it's really hard to get up, but there's a screw hidden underneath there. So let's get that guy. All right, so we got that guy now. And then finally we have to remove this part as well. So unfortunately, this kind of goes kaput as it peels off. It, maintains that kind of roll there in the material. So what you can do is you can go ahead and get a new ones of these on Amazon. I'll put a link to that. Anyhow, there's two more screws to undo here. And then we got it just about open. All right. So now we can remove the bottom part from the top. Oops, there go my screws. So what we need to do now is, I would suggest actually cleaning this off if you got some kind of blower to blow it off, because it does get a fair amount of dust in there. And then what you have to do is look at that. Right here are the clickers. So what you have to do now is carefully take your WD-40. Don't spray it right on there by any means, but spray it into a container. All you need is a little tiny bit. And then what you're going to do is you got to put just a little bit of this WD-40. So I'm just going to take some here on the head of my screwdriver, and I'm going to put it on these white tabs there. Did you see that? And on this tab right there. Maybe we'll do a little closer. So it's going to take a little bit and just dab it on there, just like that. You don't need much. That's about all you need. And that's it. Okay. So what's happening is somehow the electrical signal is not making it down to the bottom of the board when these things dry out or get too much dust in them, apparently. So let's put it back together. And as I mentioned, this has happened once before, and this did fix my issue, which is great. So let's get this guy back together, and then he should be good to go. So I got the two front ones in underneath the skater. I'm going to try to reapply the skater, but it's really not that. It doesn't stick that well anymore. I suggest just buying some. You can get them on Amazon. But anyhow, this way you don't have to replace your mouse, which is super nice. because that would be a shame. These mice are not the cheapest. All right. Okay, finally the 5th screw. Put that guy right in there. You don't want to torque down too tight, obviously. You're torquing into plastic. Put that guy on there. Put the clip on, turn it on, and should be good to go. So let's see. So now if we go back and if we want to drag, oh, yep, look at that, it's dragging just fine. And I can just click one time, perfect. So it is working. And that's all you need. Just a little bit of WD-T, just your mouse, little Phillips screwdriver, and a little patience, and some kind of scraping tool. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful for you. And if so, like the video and subscribe to it so I know to make more like this in the future. And also, let me know if it worked for you. And if so, what mouse did you fix? Was it the M720 like this or a different one? All right, take it easy, guys. Bye now.